So to draw the couple polygon, select the scale by referring the maximum value. There is one value which is for the mass C, that is 1.8. So take 1 centimeter, it is equal to 0.6 kg meter square. So length will be, this is unknown, then this will be 0. So 1.8, if you divide by 0.6, this will become 3 centimeter, and this is also unknown. Okay, so only one vector is known out of the 3 values. So by referring this angular position diagram, we can complete that couple polygon, which is a triangle. So take the reference point, that is origin, then draw reference axis. Now the known value, which is nothing but 1.8, and in terms of length, it is 3 centimeter. This is for mass C. So observe the direction of the mass C from this angular position diagram, and from point O, draw the vector of length 3 centimeter. So take this as a OC. This is for mass C. Now for remaining 2 vectors, the length are unknown. Okay. But from point C, the next is D. Okay. So if you take this in sequence, so draw the vector which is parallel to this position of D. Just draw one line which is passing through point C, which is parallel to the angular position of mass D. And from point O, so from the force polygon, you will get the angle for the mass A. So this is the angle of mass A with respect to negative axis. Okay. So in the angular position diagram, show the mass A. So this is the mass A. Okay, and this angle, that is a theta A, you will get this angle from the force polygon. Okay. Now the vector in the couple polygon for mass B, it is 0. Okay, so we will neglect this value. Now this 6x, it is for the mass D. So we have drawn the vector parallel to mass D, and similarly from point O, draw the vector which is parallel to A. So that will be nothing but 3.6 into y. So draw the vector which is parallel to A. So this vector, it is parallel to mass A. This vector, it is parallel to mass D. Okay. So in this way, you can complete that couple polygon, which is nothing but the triangle. So for the couple polygon, the closing side, so it will give the answer for these unknown values. So minus 3.6 into y, and next is 6 into x. So here the vector C to D, so measure the length. of CD and measure the length of vector DO. Okay. So this value, that is for D, which is 6x, this is equal to the length of vector CD into scale. So length of the vector CD so find out this length in terms of centimeter into scale that we have selected, it is 0.6. So equate this value with 6x and then you will get the value for x. So this value is 0.383 meter. And the second value, which is for mass A. So this vector, it is parallel to mass A. So measure the length DO and then write minus 3.6 by. So this is equal to length DO into scale. So again, find out the length DO in centimeter. Scale is same, that is a 0.6, and this is minus 3.6 into y. So you will get the value for y as so it is minus 1 meter. Okay, so this is minus 0.383 meter, that is a 383 millimeter, and this is 1000 millimeter. Okay, so this answer is negative. That is because if you refer the plane position diagram, so we have assumed the mass D, sorry, Y is for mass A. So we have assumed the mass A on the left side of the mass B. Okay, but it is on the right side of the mass B. So as Y value is negative, that is minus 1000 millimeter. So therefore, the mass A, it is on the right side so right side of the mass B, because we have taken mass B as a reference plane. And if you refer that couple polygon, so this is the origin and this vector is for mass C. And this is for, so this is for mass D and this vector, it is for mass A. Okay, and if you refer the angular position diagram, so in the angular position diagram, the direction of the mass D, it is on the left side. But in this couple polygon diagram, the vector for mass D, it is on the right side. Okay. So this is also negative. So X is negative from couple polygon. And therefore, the mass D is on left side. That is the left side of the mass B. So corrected plane position diagram is so this is mass D. This is reference mass, that is a mass B. This is mass C. And this is mass A. So mass A, it is at 383 millimeter. Mass D, it is 1000 millimeter.